Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video, we are going to show you how to change your language on Bilibili, whether you're using the app or website. So let's just get started. You can start by going to bilibili.com for that. So let me just show you, which is this one right here. So you can go to bilibili.tv. And once you are here in this home page, you'll be finding all of the available shows for the Bilibili application. Now from here, it is pretty easy if you want to change your language for the application. So what you need to do is basically look out for the profile option in the top right corner and select it. After you select it, a menu appears on your screen. All you gotta do is select the option of language from the given menu. This one right here, and open it up. After you open it up here, you should be finding different language available on your screen. Now you just need to select the language that you would like to change it into. For example, this one right here. So you can just go over and select it. And once you select it, you should be finding the changes being applied. And you can see all the titles being changed, even the app's interface being changed into another language. Now, if you want to go back to your language, you can just go over and select English once again. Look out for your profile in the option and select this option of language. And just go over and select the option of English. And once you do, you'll be finding it being back in the language that is it. If that is not being applied, you can even refresh by looking out for this refresh option. And just go over and find it up, and there you go. Sometimes the Bilibili app does not have display English by default, especially in certain reasons. So you can just go over and try updating the application or switching your device's system language to English and then remove the Bilibili application once again. And that is it, everybody. Now you have successfully changed the language on Bilibili. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.